Hunting knives are the most important tool in a hunter's arsenal, right behind the hunting weapon. They allow you to secure the game efficiently and prepare it for consumption in minutes. Some of these hunting knives are incredibly strong and can cut through branches like butter. Meanwhile, some other hunting knives have surgical precision and will prepare the meat to perfection. So, should you carry two hunting knives if you want to cut both the trees and prepare the meat? Luckily you don't have to, because the finest hunting knives of 2023 are great at both and much more. These top-quality hunting knives are also the ultimate survival tools, all thanks to their unmatched durability and unlimited utility. However, not all hunting knives are created equal. Only a handful of hunting knives are strong and sharp enough for the wild, and we've managed to hunt them down. Here's our curated list of 5 hunting knives worth bringing on your next hunt. Take a look. Number 1. Big Cat Roar Hunting Knife. The Big Cat handmade knife makes quality hunting knives accessible to everyone. Everything from its design to its durability is top-notch, with nothing to worry about. The star of the show here is definitely the 9" blade on this hunting knife. Its detailed 288-layer deep Damascus steel design provides unmatched performance while also looking stunning. The best part about this blade is that it can be sharpened out in the wild with a whetstone. Underneath this blade is a handmade walnut handle that complements the unique blade perfectly. The ergonomic shape of its handle makes this hunting knife more effective without compromising style. You can put this hunting knife in a glass case, and it will look like a piece of modern art. Or you can take it on a hunting trip and enjoy perfectly cut meat. Owing to both the style and practicality, this handmade hunting knife earns the number 1 spot on our list. Number 2. Grand Way Hunting Knife. The folding knife from Grand Way offers all of the benefits of a quality hunting knife in a compact package. A major issue with folding hunting knives is that their blade is too small for efficient use. Grand Way got around this by designing a folding mechanism that can house a blade longer than the handle. The result of this clever design is a hunting 10.83 inches hunting knife that can fold down to just 7.28 inches. High-quality knife. Matte 440 stainless steel, excellent balance of hardness and corrosion resistance ensures proper operation without sharpening. Provides razor-sharp cutting performance and high durability. Finish protects from scratches. Handle material, metal, wood. Lock type, sleep joint. Moving past its folding design, we have a sturdy hunting knife with 440 stainless steel blades that will stay sharp even after years of use. This blade is then attached to a metal and rosewood hybrid handle that matches the blade perfectly. Number 3. Mosio Hunting Knife. This set of 2 hunting knives from Mosio is the perfect option for survivalists. The straight-edged hunting knife is ideal for cutting down a rope, making primitive wooden tools, and starting fires. Its sharp point can also be used as a makeshift wedge for gathering some firewood and splitting dried logs. On the other hand, the skinning knife makes meat preparation as easy as it gets. Unique green camo pattern on handle surface, modish and concealed for outdoors, comfortable grip and balance, ergonomic handle groove is non-slip to use. Lanyard hole for easier carry. Both hunting knives in this set are made from high-quality black steel that will stay sharp. If they get dull, sharpening them with a whetstone takes less than an hour. Both knives also come in a heavy-duty black sheath that protects them from damage when not in use. Number 4. Buck Hunting Knife. Hunting knives are supposed to be incredibly strong, and this fixed-blade hunting knife from Buck Knives is a perfect example. Every aspect of its shape and design is calibrated to provide a longer lifespan. The blade on this hunting knife is particularly well built with its 420HC steel that provides exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance. Even the thickness of this blade is just right for a long lifespan without compromising performance. Meant to withstand even the toughest conditions and stay sharp for long. Great for hunting, camping, bushcrafting, fishing, hiking, and overlanding. Underneath this exceptional blade is a traditional black phenolic handle featuring prominent palm swells for a strong grip. Using this hunting knife for a long time is quite comfortable as well thanks to its aluminum pommel that balances the knife flawlessly. Number 5. 9 Outdoors Hunting Knife Set. 9 Outdoors Hunting Knife Set features a boning knife, a gut hook skinner, a hawkbill blade knife, a capping knife, a skinning cleaver, a bone saw and a rib cage spreader. What makes this set stand out is that the blades and handles are made with excellent balance in various ways. All the knobs and grips are stealthy black and blue camouflage patterns made from ergonomic materials that won't slip. Handles are all in black and blue camo colors with ergonomic materials for concealing and non-slip purposes. Handles and blades are manufactured in great balance in multiple practices. Blades are made of 7cr17 move steel and have experienced 7 times heat-treated tests to ensure their hardness and durability. The blades are constructed from quality steel and have been heat-treated 7 times to maintain their hardness and ensure longevity. The set contains all the knives and tools required for your hunting adventure. Better still, you can carry and store it anywhere.